Why does your scanner show the P0183 engine code? What does it mean? P0183 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel temperature sensor A circuit high. P0183 engine code indicates that the fuel temperature sensor A circuit voltage went above calibrated limit specifications during the self-test. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty fuel temperature sensor. Defective fuel temperature sensor connector. Loose or poor connection to sensor or PCM. Corrosion of wires or connectors. Water in the fuel tank. Damaged fuel tank temperature sensor. Defective fuel heater assembly. PCM failure or programming error. Excessive additives in the fuel. Fuel contamination or composition levels. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD-II equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Nissan, Toyota, and Chevys. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.